Hello guys, my name is Liz and today I'm gonna share to you what I've learned during my training course here in Bewell, Italy. It's all about wellness. Wellness for me is how you will able to take care of, especially in your daily life with different challenges. So I want to share you something that really catch my heart and my mind, especially to maintain more mental well. So the first thing that I shared to you is to connect with nature. During this time, I'm walking in the woods, which I only hear the sound of the bees, insects, and the breeze from the wind. And I'm already trying to connect with it, and also thinking what else can make this natural things makes me feel better. We need air to breathe. So if you are so tired and exhausted in your work and all your things that you do in your life, go to the nature. Walk with the nature. Feel the rays of the sun and inhale and exhale. Let the nature help you to feel better. So it's not so many, but it's just a simple way to make you feel better. And in your daily life, you wake up, you walk to your schools, universities, appointments, and also work. So you need to walk. Your feet will touch the ground. Your eyes will look in the skies. And just do it. Connect with it. And just be thankful, be grateful for this day. And that's all. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.